If you love cozy vintage vibes with a coastal twist, you are gonna love today's video. We're taking a tour of my mom's grandma chic lake house, all decked out for summer with some adorable vintage and personalized details. Plus, I'm gonna be sharing some tips and tricks on how to get your own coastal grandma chic style in your own home. Let's get started. First up is this entryway. My mom has such a knack for making guests feel instantly at home. I love how she's used a vintage bench in this entryway and she stained it this beautiful weathered wood color. The DIY floral cushion and this blue pattern cushion are the perfect mix for this mix and match grandma chic style. This little stool adds some texture to the space, and on top of that we have this fiddle leaf fig that adds some greenery and some life into the space. These botanical prints also add some interest to the entry, and I love the pattern on this entry mat. So one way to infuse the style into your home this summer is to look for some vintage pieces that you can incorporate into your space. Something practical like a bench or a chair is perfect for an entry. Next, let's step into the living room. This is where the magic really happens. Check out these cozy floral cushions, mixed and matched with a solid cushion and a striped cushion. Mixing together florals, stripes, and solids is a great way to incorporate this mix and match style into your space. Just like my own home, my mom keeps all of her main furniture in neutral tones and brings in those pops of colors through accessories like throw pillows and quilts. She also has those classically nautical colors in her accessories like the blues and greens, and that's a really easy way to bring that coastal summer style into your space. I love how she mixes old things, new things, vintage and handmade to really give this space that warm and inviting feeling. There's a great mix of textures here too. So we have the stone of the fireplace, we have the smooth fabrics, we have the faux plants and the real plants, and a lot of mixed wood and white tone. Now we're here in the dining room and my mom loves to entertain, so this room is always ready for some sort of summer brunch or dinner with family and friends. This rustic wood table was actually an amazing DIY project my mom did. She stripped it, sanded it, restained it to give it this sort of weathered matte wood vibe, and I love the look of this table. The vintage dishware and teacups she's collected over the years, and it really gives this amazing grandma chic vibe to this space. And she also handmade these chargers with some yarn and a beautiful crochet pattern. These lilacs are from my mom's garden, and I love how they match with these mix and match plates she has here on the table. Such a beautiful color scheme, all in those cool sort of summery coastal tones. Again, I love how this space is just a beautiful collection of vintage furniture, old furniture, a few new things, just to give it that really beautiful, welcoming, lived in and cozy look. Here in my mom's kitchen, it's all about simplicity and functionality, but with that touch of whimsy. Glass doors here in the kitchen show off my mom's simple but beautiful dinnerware, and some little ornaments and some faux greenery on this mirror shelf above her sink adds that little bit of charm. I also love how she uses fresh flowers from her garden in her space to make this kitchen feel so fresh and beautiful. And all of the white tones contrasted with the warm wood of this mirror feature and these textured pendant lights are such a beautiful mix and match feel once again. Next up is my parents' primary bathroom. I love how relaxing this whole space feels. It's very white, light, and bright, and just feels like a spa-like retreat. The bathtub here by the window is perfect for a relaxing soak. I love how this window looks out to the lake, and some faux greenery and some real flowers. Again, just add that touch of nature and life into the space. I love how my mom keeps the decor in here nice and minimal and simple for that nice retreat feeling here in the bathroom. And now one of my favorite rooms in my mom's house, the primary bedroom. This is such a gorgeous space. It has a window overlooking the lake, so it's the perfect summertime retreat. This room is the epitome of comfort. We have this layered bed with, again, all of these mix and match pillows in different patterns. We have the quilt at the end of the bed. This is actually from my shop, Cozy Prairie Linens Co. I thought it looked so pretty in here. And we have those nice calming tones in the blues and the greens with a little bit of coral thrown in there, which I think is such a beautiful color for summer too. I love how the curtains surrounding the windows just add texture and make the room feel cozy and inviting. And the weathered wood of the furniture just is again that nod to that coastal vibe in this space. To me, this is the perfect summer retreat, and I love all the vintage and coastal touches in here. It's very elegant, but they're very impactful. I hope you enjoyed this tour today of my mom's beautiful lake house, and I hope it gave you ideas on how you can incorporate this timeless and vintage inspired grandma chic decor into your own home this season. Remember, it's all about that mixing and matching, incorporating old and new, vintage and modern, a few coastal accents, and a lot of texture. Let me know in those comments below what you think of my mom's home. Which space is your favorite? I would love to know in those comments below. If you want to get some more inspiration for coastal inspired summer decor, I have recent tours of our 2 lake house rentals. I'll leave that video for you to watch next, right up here.